Can you give, three practical tips? These can be questions, resources, or just ways to advocate for themselves to give them the language and the confidence to advocate for themselves and their family.
Well, that's the first thing you got to do is as much research as possible. There's so much more information out there now. Do as much research as you can. You have to advocate for yourself. The best doctors in the world are never intimidated by a second opinion. If you have a doctor that gets upset about or threatened by a second opinion, to me, that's a red flag. You want to look somewhere else. But also, we are helping create search engines that the average person can use. A lot of people have no idea, or they get on the government website of all the open trials and you can get completely lost. So we're working with several different avenues on making that thing. If you're in the hospital and you type, my child or myself, I have this disease relapse, an easy way to find a contact person, maybe closer to where you are. You can find a trial that's open where you say, hey, I want to be part of this if I'm not going to make it anyway. Like the way I would look at it myself is if I can be part of trying something that it might not help me today, but it might help somebody tomorrow, I would do it myself. But there's a lot of trials out there right now that are working and they can't find enough patients to get in them. We do everything in our power to try to find a trial. One of the best things that's happened since Emily got better and we have all this media coverage is I have access to a lot of people. We just try to ask, hey, here's this disease, here's this relapsed patient, this is their situation. Where would you send your child if this is, or where would you go if this was you? And they're really good about getting back to me because they also care deeply about helping the next patient have the same outcome as Emily.